In today's episode of Quick Dessert Ideas, we are going to make microwave brownies. We'll start by adding 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of milk. After which we are going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips, and then give everything a good mix such that no lumps are left. We will put this mixture in microwave for about 2 minutes and then the brownies are ready to eat. Do top it up with some melted chocolate for that added flavor. Okay, bye bye.